Hi, and welcome to Spreaker Studio. My name is Krista Nyko, and I'm going to take you through how to record your own podcast and get it promoted to production using Spreaker Studio that's available at Spreaker, Spreaker.com. What I've done here is I have a Windows-based computer, laptop, and I have downloaded the software that is available. And what I'm going to do is just basically go ahead and start my first recording, which I can do just going ahead and clicking on the Start button. I can choose to either broadcast live if I have a social network that I'm connected to, or I can start offline, which will allow me to edit it, and I can make any changes and promote to production at a later time. I'm going to choose the offline production up here. I'm going to go ahead, and it is currently recording. You can see I've got 10 or 11 seconds of recording time on here. So what I'm going to do, since this is recording, is I'm just going to go ahead and say A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I think that sounds good. I'm going to go ahead and stop it. If I click on the square option, what that's going to do is it's going to allow me to put it into edit, to bring it back to say that this is the one that I want. I can choose to delete it. I can choose to export it if I wanted to save it someplace, or I can choose to publish it. I also have the ability to put an image in. What I'm going to do is I am going to listen to it just briefly and see if it's something that I like. And that's it. Okay, so I'm going to say, yes, that's good, and I am ready to publish. By doing so, I have the ability to go ahead and give it a name. So I'm going to call it Demonstration of Spreaker. Continue description, title, and say April 2018 demonstration. Okay, let's also spell it correctly up there. Tags, IST 611. It goes under my current heading of Krista Nyko Show. I can choose a file if I want to put a picture, to drag and drop an image from the computer. They suggest it be a JPEG, PNG, etc., 400 by 400 pixels, a maximum of 5 millibyte picture. What I'm going to do is I'm going to specify I do have the ability to share it via Facebook, Twitter, SoundCloud, etc. I could specify if there's explicit content. I can say it's download enabled. I don't want to make it as private. I'm going to go ahead and say publish. You can see now that it says 100% has been uploaded. Episode was successfully published, which is good. And what I can do here is I can go ahead and do published episodes. So let's take a look at my published episodes in Spreaker. There we go. Now it's loading. And here you can see I've just loaded Krista Nyko Show, and here is my April 26th demonstration of Spreaker, which is available for upload, download, etc. I can connect on it. So that's basically it in a brief nutshell, how to do it. I think it's a great tool, and I hope that you have fun exploring it and using it to create your own podcast. Enjoy!